Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video I want to show you how to make a furry carpet. So first of all, you can see the detail of this carpet. This is very detailed picture, 8K picture. So first of all, I'm going to make a Persian carpet. You know, Persian or Turkish carpets are very famous, but I'm going to make a Persian carpet. So I downloaded one of these pictures, and then you can see I've tried this before, but I'm going to try for you, try to make this for you. First of all, I believe that to learn something you have to first try something simpler and then to try something more complicated. First of all, I'm going to show you a very simple way, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to make this side, because as you know, the carpets has sides. It doesn't look like something like here. So I'm going to make something sides in next video. So let's start it. First of all, I will not close this. I'm going to take this my next screen because I need this matrix, this adjustment. So I'm going to make my new carpet here. First of all, let's delete this one and add as image as plane. So I'm going to import this image, and you can see my image is here, but you can't see because it is my image. And now I'm going to take it -90, and now I'm going to make something very simple. Here, go to particle properties, add particle system, and you can see we have a ball, but I don't need a ball, I want hair. Voila, we have hair, but these are too much longer. If you see my previous video, you can understand how I have most of you have 4 meters, but I have 4,000 millimeters. If you want to change this one, you can go to watch my previous video, or I will show you here. Go to scene properties, go to units, and your length must be millimeters. Now I'm going to go to my particles, and I think 6 millimeters is enough. Yeah, as you can see, we have maybe 7. We have lots of we have very few hairs, but I'm click advanced. So I'm going to change my numbers, but not now, because if I try to make it 3000, it will look more, but some of our computer are not good to make this at first. And then actually 6 is enough. I'm going to click here. First of all, go to children. Go to interpolated, and you can change it 300. That means for each hair you will have 300 more. In display mode you can make it 2, you can see, here it is less, but do not make this 1 to 300 too. Just make when you need it when you render it. So your render amount must be 300. And then I'm going to check my previous adjustment. Yeah, and then I'm going to come to clamping 0.045, and I'm going to change this one 0.0 oh 0.120, and I'm going to change my roughness. You can see when I change this one, you can adjust it. You can realize what's happening here. Control Z. You can realize this one. Control Z. Just I tried this. It looks very well. Change your roughness to random to 0.20. Yeah, you can see your roughness is changed. And come to kink, make it radial. Millimeters. Yeah, come to hair shape. It must be 100 millimeters, and root must be 100 millimeters. I'm going to check my. If you wanted to, go to your render properties, click cycle, and now I don't like to use 1024 sample. 8 is enough to me because I'm a hobbyist. Most of you are hobbyists. The noise start from 8 and max sample must be 8. Otherwise it will take a long time. And now finally change this one to 3000. Yeah. I'm going to take this one. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Yeah. Some people don't like me because I use sorry a lot. Sorry. And now render image. You can see I wanted to share a very simple trick. If you have something like this very detailed, you shouldn't use randoms too much. Where is random 0. You can see it looks more good. 0.0. Make it something you can lose your details, something like this. But if you wanted to, you can make it another one. You can down it, Control Z. Sorry. You can use the waves, it change everything. You can use braids, spiral, sure. Nope. Radial is best way. You can try all these king type, and I'm going to here 3840 to 160 to make something better. Bring it here. And now yeah, and then again should look at it after denoising. Yeah, now you can see your curve. As I told you, you can change. I'm going to change my random to 0, and I'm going to render up here, show you this one, and now render it again. Oh, it looks something different because of children. You can see what does children mean here. I think it looks something different. If you don't randomize, because of children, you will have this effect. But if I randomize this 20 again, you can see we tackled that effect, but we lost some details in this carpet. But if you I want to show you something like this. If you don't want this one, In some case, this effect looks like very good. In some case, for example, this case. But for this case, in fact, it doesn't look very well. So, thanks for watching. I think it's a very long video. In next video, I'm going to show you how to make the side of this carpet. It will look like more realistic because most of carpets has uh, it doesn't look like furry in everywhere. It needs some sides. So I'm going to show you how to make that side in next video. Thanks for watching. Try this for a few days, and I will show you make side for more realistic carpet. Thanks for watching. See you at next video.